What's up, interwebs? Welcome to my newest listing, our first mansionarizona.com exclusive listing. We're at 263 East Bridle Way at this amazing house. First thing while I'm out here, I gotta show you this. This lot is amazing. It's got a green belt on that side, only one neighbor on that side, and it's a one-story house and nobody behind you. Let's go check out the inside of the house. Come on inside. One of the things I really love about this home is the side front door. Your front door at this house doesn't face directly to the street. So it's a really nice private entrance to the house, but as soon as you walk in those double doors, you're greeted with these soaring ceilings, two-story height ceilings. It's amazing. Off to the left, there's an amazing living room. To the right takes you to the formal dining room, family room, and kitchen. But the first thing we're gonna really show you in this house is this amazing staircase. This is a custom-built staircase. Solid wood, wrought iron, just a gorgeous, gorgeous staircase. And I've seen the other staircase in this neighborhood, and there's not a single one that looks quite as good as this one. Let's head upstairs. Right here at the landing, just before the top of the stairs, we've got the entrance into the primary bedroom, as well as access to the loft and the rest of the upstairs bedrooms. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath house with a den, but the den really acts like a 5th bedroom, and I'll show that to you guys in just a minute. But let's look at the primary suite first. Here we are in the primary suite, 9-foot, nice tall ceiling, so you can get yourself a nice 4-post bed in here. And then we've got the ensuite primary bathroom with a separate shower and bathtub. Great custom tile work on the bath and the shower. And we head over this way to your walk-in closet with, again, these soaring 9-foot ceilings. All right, here we've got this amazing loft, tons of space, great spot for a TV. Maybe if you have like a theater setup, you want to do a little theater room, this is a great spot for that. Or if you got kids, put all their toys up here. And then they're not toys everywhere in the house. They just kind of get confined up here at the loft. Let's take a look at the 3 bedrooms that are up here with the primary suite. We have 3 full baths in this house, one for the primary suite, this one for these 3 bedrooms, and then 1 full bath downstairs. The other amazing feature about this house is the size of these bedrooms. These are massive, massive extra bedrooms. A lot of times in these Arizona houses, you get really small bedrooms. It might be 4 or 5 bedrooms, but they're tiny. These are great sized bedrooms. You can have queen or even a king fit in some of these bedrooms. Oh, the chinchillas are out. Sadly, these adorable fuzzy creatures do not convey with the house. They got a chinchilla. Come here. Bring it in close. Look at that chinchilla. The chinchilla moved, and it scared me. Welcome to the formal dining room. It's a great space. 8-person table, I think, could definitely fit in here. I think it's a great place to have those family Christmas dinners, maybe having your friends over for a nice dinner. Great space to do that here. Let's head into the kitchen. All right, here in this amazingly large kitchen with literally a ton of cabinets. We've got this fantastic island here for prepping food, maybe serving food like buffet style. We've got the double wall ovens, which are amazing, especially if you like to cook meals. You can do a ton of stuff in those double wall ovens. An electric cooktop here. This house does have gas to the property, so if you wanted to upgrade to a gas cooktop, it'd be pretty easy to do that here. And here we've got this family room that's off of the eat-in kitchen area. Beautiful fireplace, gas fireplace here in this room. So awesome on those periodic cool nights that we have in Arizona. And back this way, the 3rd full bath that's downstairs for your guests. Here we have the laundry room. This is a great laundry room with a lot of really nice storage cabinets as well as a counter, so you can do some of your folding your laundry down here before you take it back up to the bedrooms. Last thing we're gonna show you down here is the den, which, like I said, really should be a 5th bedroom. This is the den, which is being currently used as an office, but the only reason it's not a bedroom is because it doesn't have a closet. So this would make a great guest bedroom or an office, but like I said, definitely gives it the vibe of being a 5-bedroom house. Now let's go outside and check out the sparkling pool. And here we are in this beautiful backyard. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, only one neighbor. They're right there. They're a one-story house. There's nobody around that's gonna be peeking at you while you're hanging out in your pool. Tons of privacy, trees all around the property, so they give you amazing shade, especially in the late afternoons. We've got this beautiful sparkling play pool. And then over here to the side, we've got a great grass area. Play some good cornhole. This is a beautiful and very, very private backyard. Well, that's it for this home tour. If you want to check this home out, we have open houses that are scheduled on Saturday and Sunday. Check our website for more information about the times of those open houses, and we'll see you there.